And we begin tonight with Our Streets, Our Stories, the city taking another step to protect the community we live in. Just a short time ago, Indianapolis Mayor Greg Ballard swore in 28 new police recruits. The new recruits make good the mayor's pledge to hire 80 new officers in 2014. RTV6 reporter Jack Reinhardt joins us live from our studio on Monument Circle with details. Jack.
Well, Todd, going forward, the city will pay for those new recruits out of the slight increase in the public safety tax. Those recruits will cost Indianapolis property owners the equivalent of the price of a cup of coffee per week.
Michael Anthony Rodriguez.
The new class is one of the most racially diverse. The makeup of the recruits includes 7 blacks, 4 women, and 3 Hispanics. For Michael Rodriguez and his father, Angel, a Speedway police officer, it is the fulfillment of a shared dream.
When I was able enough to do ride-alongs with him, I was able to really get firsthand on it and just absolutely fell in love with it. And I knew from the get that was something that I really truly wanted to do.
When it's done correctly, I don't think there's a more proud profession than we have. And now doing it for over 20 years, I've always told my son that you achieve your goals by working hard at it and striving to do the best.
The new recruit class represents a milestone in recent history. Today's staffing level on the department is 1,533 officers. At the beginning of the year, IMPD had 1,535 officers.
With this class, we will be above our attrition rate, meaning that we will hire more people this year for the IMPD than we will lose through retirement. We're one of very few cities nationally that's able to do that.
Of the 60 police recruits hired in June, 5 have quit, 2 were injured, 43 remain in classroom training, and 10 officers with previous street experience have been fast-tracked to the street. One of them is Officer Mike Burke, who spent 7 years with the Charleston, South Carolina Police Department. His biggest challenges so far, learning a brand new computer system and navigating southeast side Indianapolis streets. Policing in both places, he says, is pretty much the same.
It's the same down there. You have the people that really like you, and then you have the people that don't necessarily like you. There's just more people up here in general.
Now tomorrow morning, those 28 recruits will head to the police academy for 24 weeks of classroom training, followed by 26 weeks of training in the field. And between 2015 and 2018, the city plans to hire another 370 police officers. Reporting live from downtown, Jack Reinhardt, RTV6.